Hey everybody, welcome to Unit 3 where we're discussing integers. I was just going to make a short little video to kind of help with your vocab and examples assignment that you need to have done by the first day of class next week. One of the questions was asking you what whole numbers are, or integers, or rational numbers, and then place them on the number line just like we did in our assignment pair deck. Okay, so here's an example, whole numbers on the number line. You can see whole numbers are from 0 towards the positive end where everyone was writing them. Okay, the next question asked you to do integers, which could mean whole numbers that are positive or negative, okay, as people were placing on that number line. And then when we got to the really tricky question of what's a rational number, we realized, hey, we don't have this written down. I don't know the definition of a rational number. We've been using them all year long. Rational numbers are those fractions and decimals terminating or repeating that we've been seeing. So when you put them on the number line, you could have had a fraction, you could have had a decimal. You'll also notice that people put whole numbers on there too, positive or negative, and guess what? Those aren't wrong either. While we would consider those integers, numbers can be a part of more than one set of numbers or group. So rational numbers encompasses all of those, whole numbers, positive, negative, fraction, decimal. Where we talk about integers, it's the next level in, so we're getting rid of all the fractions and decimals and only focusing on the positive and negative whole numbers. And then whole numbers is a really small group where you just start with 0 and only focus on the positive whole numbers. So hopefully this helps you with your vocabulary example page. And if you want a little more practice, I already asked everyone to have all the skills under the letter B in IXL completed. There are 7 of them, up to 70%, so that you have a strong base, especially with, for example, absolute value. And if you want to challenge, then I would move on to some of those skills in the letter C that have to do with addition, because that's where we're moving forward with. So